but unconscious.
Medical talk reporting.
Drop the damn gun.
Medical assistance standing by.
Drop your weapon.